Hi, I'm Chef Ben with Expert Village. Hi, and welcome back. We're going to be continuing our crock pot series with artichoke and cheese dip. First, you start out with 8 ounces of artichoke, canned or fresh. And throw those right in our crock pot. All right, next we have 8 ounces of condensed cream of mushroom soup. Throw that in there. 8 ounces of liquid cheese. Right, stop. How much milk was this again?
Half a cup milk?
Half a cup of milk, okay.
Action.
All right, and about a half a cup of milk. All right, go ahead and cover, set on low, and cook for about 2 to 3 hours, and you have artichoke cheese dip.